SF4070 automatic wooden pallet color assembly machine. Designed for foldable wooden pallet colors, widely applied for use standard pallet colors production. Wide size adjustment range, support multiple specifications pallet colors production. Consistent assembly precision, uniform pin locking force, stable hinge connection quality. Full automatic assembly, realizing pin threading, bending and stacking in one line. Can connect with pallet color drilling and riveting machine to form complete pallet color production line.